Okay, so let's talk about this question. So this question is asked in interview many times. So what my question is, let's see. So in this question, we have team one, so India, and then we have team two with what that team one is played with, and then whom is the winner. Let me explain you once again. So India played with SL, and then India won the match. So I hope this table is clear to you. Now, what I want my answer to be, what I want my output to be. So in my output, I want my team name, whatever my team name is, then how many matches that team played, then how many matches that team won, and then how many matches that team lost. Okay. So for example, we are talking about the team India. So India has won. If you will see in both the tables. So in this table one time, in another table one time again. So India has played two times and won two times. And how many losses are there? Zero losses are there. So I hope it is clear. So we will do this question. I will show you how my output should look like. So technically my output should look like this. Team name, played, win, losses. So let's do this question. So first, what my task will be? So my task will be to get all the team names and the number of matches played by them. So I will do that only. So first, I will have all the team names from my team one and the number of matches played by that team one from my ICC World Cup. And then I will do group by team one. So if I will only run this query, you can see that I will get team one and how many matches that person has played. Then I will do same for team 2 also. So I will copy that down and just paste it over here and will replace it with team 2. So this will give me team 2. And now I will have all of them together by using union all. So here you can see that I got team 1 and team 2 and the number of matches already played. Now you can see that I got the number of matches. Now what will I do? I will just aggregate together. Like I want them how many matches. I got all the team names here. I got all the matches they played. Now what will I do? I will just say them that I want to have all the teams and total count of matches that person has played. So I will just sum them together. So I will save it in my CTE. Name this column as, let me give this column as match. And then I want to have all the teams. So I'm taking team one because that's my column name. I will give it as alias as all the team names. And then I want to have sum of what? Sum of March from my CTE. And then I will group by, because in select clause I'm using aggregate and a non-aggregate column together. So I have to use group by, and in group by I will give my non-aggregate column. So let's see, did I get it? So I got all the team names and the number of matches those team played. So I will give the alias as played. Now I got the played team. I want to find out how many team has won also. So what will I do? I will find out the winning teams and the number of matches they played. So similarly, I will take my this table. I will do nothing new. I will take my winner team and the count of matches they played. That's it. From my ICC World Cup. And then group by winner. So this will give me thing that I want to have. So I got the winning team and the number of matches they played. So I will write win here. So, but I am not getting other two. Like I want to have zero also. No? I want to have all the team names and number of matches played as well as a number of matches win also. So what will I do? I will just combine these two tables together. So I will do it in my CT3 as and we'll just combine them together. Select from CTE2 as I want to have all the team names. So I will take my CTE2 as my left join because left join will give you common records as well as all the records that are left in your left table. So technically it will give you all the records from your left table, right? So that's why, because I want to have all the team names, so that's why I have used left join here. And then with CTE3, my on condition will be that my team name should be equals to my winning. And then I want to have team name. I also want to have played matches as well as I want to have win matches. So let's run and see. Did we did any mistake or my answer is correct? So I got it. But here you can see that I'm getting null. I don't want to have null. I want to have zero. So I will use is null. So is null where I have null, I want to give it a zero and give it as aliases win now. So I got zero. So I will save it in my CTE4. Now with the help of that, I will find loss also. So what loss will be? So I can say loss will be like that number of matches played minus the number of matches win. That will be my loss. Am I correct? So I will have it like that. So I will say number of matches played minus number of matches win as loss from my table CTE4. That's it. So this will be your answer that is required. I hope it is clear. Try it yourself also. If you have any other solution, do let me know in the chat box. And for any other issue, do ping me directly. Thank you.